Hello White Company, my name's Simon. Welcome to Ukiyo. Let me show you around. When we first bought it, been lived in by the same family for over 30 years. We used a designer called Catherine Tyler from Linear Studio to help us bring this concept to fruition. Fell in line with our sort of vision of sort of Scandinavian, Japanese, and then hence the name of the property, Ukiyo, which means a floating world, which we're kind of sat floating above everything here. The guests that come from Unique Homestays, they like to feel looked after with a certain extra from home. When the guests arrive, we like to have the classical music on, the sea salt scent. The smell and the music and the lighting sets the tone for the place. You'll see that there's no art at all. The art is really the view. We have this design philosophy throughout the house really, pairing retro vintage items with everyday but luxurious items. And you can see that here in the dining space where we have the second-hand chairs from the 60s paired with the White Company everyday wear of crockery and glassware that we use here. When we were designing the master bedroom and ensuite, one of the concepts we thought of was being able to walk through the bathroom to the bedroom. We've designed it in a spa-like quality, so you can stand in the shower and look out to the view. You enable somebody to feel restored here. So when it comes to the bedroom, our starting point is the bed linen. And here we're using the White Company Serene bed linen collection. Perfect for this type of weather at this time of year, 100% cotton. And then we layer it up with more White Company cushions and throws. And then finishing off with the bath framing the window that you can just basically sit here and enjoy the view from the bath, looking out for wildlife, etc. out front. I'd describe Ukiyo as wild, peaceful and serene. When guests leave, we ideally want them to feel completely at peace, serene and having just had a lovely, relaxing, rejuvenated time here.